Today I received my mini multimeter module. We can use it to measure current and voltage in our projects. So let's check it out. For the power, we are connecting it to a 5-volt power supply using my power supply module, and it's turned on. Connect a wire to sense the voltage. Now we're gonna use this wire to sense different level of voltages. Right now I have connected it to the 0 volt, so the output is 0 volt. Let's connect it to 3.3 volt and let's measure the 3.3 volt output. You can see 3.2 volts on the screen. Now let's measure 4.8 volts with it. So on the display it is showing 4.7 volt, which is approximate to 4.8 volts. So we have measured voltage successfully. Now it's the time to measure voltage and current both simultaneously. In order to increase or vary the voltage, I am gonna use the step up converter to step up and vary voltage. So we have connected 5 volt supply to the input of the step up converter, and we will get output from it about 4 volts to something 30 volts. We have to connect positive output voltage to the positive of the output load. Now let's connect the connector to measure the current from the meter. Connect the negative wire of the output load to the positive wire of the meter. Now connect the negative wire of the meter to the negative output voltage. Now connect the voltage sense wire to the positive output voltage in order to sense the output voltage. So let's turn on the power supply. Now we will vary the potentiometer on the boost converter to vary the output voltage. So you can see as I am increasing the output voltage, the current consumed by the motor is increasing, and hence the speed of motor is increasing too. So here's the conclusion. This mini multimeter module works great, but it cannot replace a professional multimeter. So you can use it in your projects to measure voltage and current. And finally, it's the time for the giveaway results. So let's see. So the results of the giveaway are, let's start with third prize. The third prize goes to Machine Funda. His dream project is to build a CNC machine. The second prize goes to Deepali Srivastava. Her dream project is to build motion triggered lights under the bed using Arduino. So the first prize goes to Ramakant Shakya. His dream project is to build a camera which will stream directly into your browser. Congratulations to the winners, and who did not win, better luck next time, because there will be more giveaways as my channel grow. So till then, like, share and learn. Thanks for watching. See you next time.